Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About x, I will put 2x minus x. And the second one, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, because number one, that is about 1 square in here. That's why we can apply the formula. Now we can do about factorization by 2x. This one by s plus number 1. So we can do about factorization by s plus number 1, and we got like this. And now we simplify s plus number 1 on numerator and denominator. So in this situation, we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So on the right, we can see that we put number 1 cone here, and we have 2 minus 1, and that is about positive. So on the right of s minus 1, that's still about positive, but you got number 0. So in this one, we have positive divided by positive, so you got positive. Number 1 divided by number 0, you got infinity. This one, we still got about positive number 1 in here, but number 1 on the left of x minus 1, that is about negative. Positive divided by negative, we have negative infinity. So we can see that this is about infinity. So the limit does not exist. And that is the final answer. On the next one, if we look s approach to negative number 1, we just cancel s plus 1 in here. So this is about the second one. So we just put negative number 1 gone here and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have 3/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.